Namaskaram, welcome back to the roots. Today we'll see Maitri, the woman achiever who belonged to Vedic period. She lived in the period of 8th century BCE. She was expounder of Vedas. She was well versed in Sanskrit. Many of her verses are in Vedas. And she got the title of Brahmavadini because she had knowledge, Brahma Vidya. And she did theological studies. Her main subject was Atman. So her philosophy was love is driven by soul. It discusses the nature of Brahman and Atman and their unity. She was a specialist in metaphysics too. So all this show that women had good opportunities to get educated. The opportunities are available. And there were many philosophical achievements by them. So they are definitely role model for us. She is a role model for us to achieve because we need only focus and continuous effort. All our achievements, all our contributions to Vedas and Sanskrit language are found in Brihadaranya Upanishad. And she was referred as scholarly wife of Yajnavalkya. He had two wives. One was Katyayani, who used to take care of the household. And she was a good company to his knowledge. So they used to discuss the subject, metaphysics, Vedas, Upanishads in detail because she is very knowledgeable lady. Once Yajnavalkya wanted to divide his property, and he asked her, what do you want? She said, will the material bring immortality? Then why do you go away from all this? When you are searching for something which is mortal, then I want the same. I don't want any of this. Will it bring any immortality to me? I wanted to have share in your spiritual knowledge. That shows how intelligent she was. She was not for all the materials. These are the lessons for us. And he agreed that she was a seeker of ultimate spiritual knowledge. And he said, she understands, sees, hears and meditates on Atman. These are all very difficult because you have to have strong willpower and very focused mind and concentrated mind. You should have 100% concentration on what you are doing. Otherwise it is not possible. That is why she is taken as an example today, and she is a role model for us to focus on what we want to achieve, to develop our skills, to develop our personality, to achieve something. So we should aim for something to achieve. That is why we are learning about her today. And she became sannyasini. So self, that is Atma, that brings a person dear to another and which is the basis of all existence. This is what we have to learn from her. So we should understand the other person well. So we understand the other person as Atma only. We are not going by look or material or any other outer appearance. So it is only by understanding. Pure, and how do you get pure? Only understanding the other soul. And this is mentioned in Viveka Chudamani. Viveka Chudamani was written by Adi Shankaracharya. So you can find the verses of, that is the conversation, the reference of Yajnavalkya and Maitreyi in Viveka Chudamani. That is a literary proof for us. Because we talk about women achievement nowadays. And we refer Women do not have equal power, women do not have empowerment in India. No, it is not so. Women had glorious position. Women were recognized for their knowledge. Women were encouraged by their husbands. Women were encouraged by the kings. They were encouraged in the court. They were recognized in the court. So, she is an inspiration for us to continue our journey towards our goal.